This tutorial will show you how to send messages to your pupils. Messages are shown to pupils when they log in to their BOFA account. You can send messages in a few different ways. Let's first look at how to send a message to all the pupil accounts you have registered. You'll find messages in the sidebar. This page allows you to send a message to all the pupil accounts you have set up, whether they are active or not. You can choose the message content and pick a start and end date for the message to show. Once you click Save, the message will be shown at the chosen date to all of your registered pupil accounts. Let's now look at sending a message to a specific form group or teaching class. Click the Manage Form or Year Groups link and you'll see all of your form groups and year groups listed. Click the Edit button and you'll see as you scroll down the page a box labelled Message. Tick the square and then type your message into the space that appears. As with messages that are sent to all pupils, you can choose a start and end date for your message to be shown. Make sure you save your message by clicking the green Save button at the bottom of the page. Sending a message to a teaching class works in exactly the same way. Go to Manage Teaching Classes, Edit, and scroll down to find the message box. It looks the same as with the form groups. Now let's send a message to just one pupil. Find the pupil you want to message in the pupil list. You can easily locate a pupil using the search bar here. Once I've got the pupil I want, I then need to click the orange Edit button and find the same message box I used to send messages before. If I scroll down, I can see it here. Tick the square, write your message content, and choose a date. Make sure you save at the bottom of the page. To show you how messages appear to pupils, I'm going to log into their account. If I find that pupil again, I can log in as them using this blue button here. Be careful when logging in as a pupil, as they may be using their account at the same time. Now I'm logged in, I can see any messages the pupil has here.